Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of UK, USA and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro GBP, Euro USD, GBP, JPY, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Japanese Yen for 11th March 2021. So this analysis is for 11th March only. I'll be coming again tomorrow, or see me tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So we can see that right now market is trading at 129.44, and if you watch my previous videos, then hopefully you're making good money. Yeah. So let me take out the pencil first. So we can see that, and there is no doubt that market is a beautiful uptrend. For a beautiful trending market like this, the strategy is very simple. Okay, look for the area of value, enter and be on the trade as long as the market is trading above the moving average. Okay, and we can see that market is respecting the 50 moving average. Okay, so whenever it is coming down, it is taking support at the 50 moving average. Okay, multiple times it is taking support at the 50 moving average. So that's a very good news. So what should be the strategy? Okay, right now we can see that stochastic RSI is here. Okay, and market has also moved around 40-50 pips from the moving average. Okay, so in that case we should be looking for the area of value as mentioned earlier. Okay, so uh, just wait for the market to come down again. Okay, wait for the market to come down again. When the market will be near the 50 moving average, and you will see some price rejection from below like this or like this. Okay, if you get some price rejection from the 50 moving average, then you'll understand that okay, market has taken support again at the 50 moving average and it is about to bounce again. So you can easily enter at the 50 moving average. That will be the best area of value for Euro Japanese yen. And on the other hand, and on the other hand, you can also take an entry if you do not get the currency pair near the 50 moving average. Then wait for the currency pair to cross this green line. You can see the green line. Okay. I have drawn a green line here, 129.54. Okay, just wait for the market to cross this green line. When the market will be crossing the green line, okay, just wait for 1 hour and just see. Okay, wait for 1 or 2 hours and just observe how the price is reacting. Okay, if you see that okay, price is comfortable enough, okay, price is comfortable enough, trading beautifully, comfortably, the support, the resistance has become the support. Okay, then you can go ahead and buy. The resistance should become the support. Okay, you can go ahead and buy, but do not forget to look at this stochastic RSI. If you see that okay, market has crossed the level, okay, but stochastic RSI is in overbought zone. Okay, if stochastic RSI is in overbought zone, then then do not buy. Okay, just wait for the market, or wait for the stochastic RSI to cool down a little bit. Okay, let the stochastic RSI come down to the oversold zone, and when it will start moving up from the oversold zone again, you can go ahead and buy. Is it complicated? Okay. Okay. So hopefully I've understood the first strategy. Okay, when market will be near the 50 moving average, it will take support, grab it. Second is let the market move above the line. Okay, when market will move above the line, wait for 1 hour or 2 hours. Uh, then just see how the price is reacting, whether it is trading comfortably or not. Try to understand the market psychology. That's it. Okay, and if stochastic RSI is not in your favor, okay, if you see that okay, market is trading comfortably for 1 hour, but if stochastic RSI is not giving you the confirmation, if stochastic RSI is going down like this, or in overbought zone like this, then wait for some time again. Let stochastic RSI cool off. Okay, market is in overbought zone, so let the market take rest for a little bit. Okay, when market will go up from here, okay, from the oversold zone again, then you can grab the market. And your target will be this. There is this will be your first target. I can understand that there is not much upside here, okay, because market may face some resistance here. Okay, there is a good possibility that market will face some resistance here. And if you see that, just observe how the price reacts once it hits the 129.96 level. If you see that, okay, market is struggling a little bit, okay, market is losing the steam, then come out. And if you see that, okay, market has made a big candle after reaching the 129.96 level, then just be on the trade. Okay, or you can be on the trade as long as price is above T50 moving average. Okay, so these are the strategies that you can follow for Euro Japanese yen for 11th March 2021. Still, I'll say that instead of going for the second strategy that I discussed, the complicated one, okay, try to go for the first strategy. Okay, try to grab Euro Japanese yen above the 50 moving average. In a trending market like this, okay, always look for the area of value. Okay, if to suppose today you buy Euro Japanese yen about the 50 moving average, and in case your stop loss is hit, okay, then also do not be disheartened, because this kind of strategy will always make you money in the long run. Out of 100 trades, your 20 trades may go wrong, but in 80 trades you will make good amount of money. Okay. So always look for the area of value. Discipline is the main thing that keeps a trader afloat on the market. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you can also check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow, and do not forget to subscribe. Good luck.